Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this cold press juicer. Now this is really neat because it is so simple to put together. You've got all your pieces in here. You've got your nice auger that just sits down in there. And then this actually has two separate filters. So you can actually grind it through. You've got a coarse and a fine filter through here. So that way it'll help break it all up and give you that real nice fine juice. To put it together, you just simply line everything up. You've got your little locking area right here. Lock that into place. Make sure your lid is open. And then we will set it in here and twist it on. Now you are ready to go. Now this is a nice 4.7-inch opening that you can easily put any sort of fruits in there. You shove it in there, close it up. You've got a nice little pusher here that's got a nice silicone thing. So once it's in there, you can help push it all around. It does come with 2 cups. You've got your trash side and then also your main chute side on here. And you have a little cleaning brush whenever you're done. So on the back here, you do have your buttons to turn it on. It just plugs into a standard 110 outlet. So we can just turn this on. Starts going, and it will then just start grinding all of that food around. So you can lift that up and the juice will then start pouring out. If you want to stop the juice, you can easily set that there. And on this side, you can actually see all of the scuzz that's starting to come out, and you can use this to grab it. But I mean, it's grinding it up in there and is going to make a great juice. If you wanted to reverse it, like it seems like it's getting stuck, you can actually just reverse it, and then it will turn and start going the other way around and start getting in that fruit. It's got a lot of really nice options on here to be able to pull it off, get all of your juice, and have yourself a nice cup of freshly squeezed juices.